Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an electronic visa for Uganda. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Uganda Electronic Visa Permit Application System. The very first thing I would say before you go anywhere is to go to help, because all the FAQs like payment methods, um, approval letter, anything like if you can cancel your application, modify application, most of these are available here. So you need to understand what those are so that when you do the application, there is no issue. So here, once you are ready, click on start a new application. Disclaimer, you have to accept. Choose type what you are looking for. Various options are here like entry permit, student pass, citizenship. I select visa. Category. I select ordinary tourist visa. Subcategory, I have single entry. Okay, so what are the things you need? Letter stating reason for transit and country of this for transit. For tourism, you need return ticket. Then passport size photograph for all. Passport biodata page. Okay, so if you're going for tourism, main three: return ticket, passport photo, and passport biodata page. Application fee is USD 50, you can see. Go to next. Step 3 is fill the form. Do you want to associate this visa to a group? Let's say if so, then select. Let's say you are not going for a group, individually you are doing, then do. Now all the details I'm going to put here is sample, not real. When you do it as per your own case, and it has to match with your passport. Okay. I just selected this. You do as per current nationality. Do it as per your own case. You have any dual nationality? I select no, but if you provide that. Former nationality, if you place of birth. So make sure it matches with your passport. And anything that you enter here, make sure you verify it at least 2 times. Immigration status, country of residence, select citizen. Country of residence, I selected citizen, but do it as per your own case. City of residence. Current residential address. Of course, you know your address. I don't have to tell you. Phone number. Do it as per your own case. Email address will be used for notification. So provide proper email, not something like this. I'm not sure if I can do copy paste. No. So then I have to do something. Passport type. Ordinary passport. Passport number. Issuing country. Place of issue. Date of issue. Date of expiry. Do you have children endorsed on passport accompanying you? I select no. Address in Uganda, wherever. So if you have booked your hotel and all, definitely you have the information, right? List of last 5 countries or less you visited, or none if no country visited. So this is just sample guys, you as per your own case. Purpose of visit, select tourism, date of arrival, select May 16, point of entry where You want to have your visa personalized. Okay. So, yeah. You should go to the selected point to have your visa sticker printed and have your fingerprints captured. So, yeah, I can select it somewhere in Uganda. I don't know the name over there, but anyway, I'm selecting New Delhi now. But it's not something that you have to do. You have to do as per your where you want to. Okay. Enter the duration of stay requested. It should be within 7 to, let's say, specify, let's say 21 days. In days, months, or year. Okay, I said days I can select here. Have you ever been denied visa before? I select not deported, convicted, criminal proceeding, mental illness. Okay. Read and then confirm. Don't just go. Let's see if I have missed something. Oh, I have to do captcha. Traffic lights. I'm very bad in doing captcha. I don't know why. Wow. Okay. So now step 3, passport copy, passport size photo, return ticket, and if you want to add more like travel insurance, hotel booking, it's always going to work in your favor. So if you have those, provide that, go to next, submit it, pay the fee. Step 4, again, I'm not going to do that, but this is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.